Okay, I just had some work done on my car, and I paid this guy about $350 to put a bumper on the back of my truck. And I went back to check it, and I found out that he didn't tighten up something. These two nuts that go on the chassis, uh, he didn't tighten them down, and they're loose. So I'm having to tighten them myself. But that is something that you have to watch out for. You have to watch out for these mechanics. I always go back and double check to make sure that they've done what they're supposed to, and that way you know they've done the complete job. And since you paid your money, your hard-earned money, to get something fixed, so just keep that in mind. So that's what this video is for. So that's something to keep in mind.